Guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can design a business card. Before we move on, the first thing you have to note is the canvas size of a business card. The canvas size. So originally I don't know the canvas size of a business card, and for me to know that, I will head on to my google.com and search for the canvas size. Okay, so we are at Google, so I will just type in business card canvas size in pixels, or in Pixelab. Let me see something. Let me see what I will give here. Okay. Let me just type again. In pixels. Okay, as you can see here, we have 1050 by 600. So that's the size we shall be using. So we'll go to our image size and put on 1050 by 600. Oh, it's the other way around. 1050. So this is what we have for our business card. Our background color will be black. Choose a black background color for this. Okay, this black is too thick. Let me take gray. Gray will be okay. Let me take this. Okay, so this how first we are starting with, because business card has two sides, right? The front side and the back side. Let's start with the back side first before we move on to the front side. Okay, so we shall be doing some styling here. I'll go to my shape, click here, go to gradient color, click on this. I want to choose red for this gradient color, so for this one choose red. Okay, so this is what I'll be using. Come over to my radius. I will increase the radius to 80, something like this. So I make sure that this is at the center. Let me take it up a bit. Okay, so I'll do a copy of this. Change the color. Go to my color too. I'll change the color to gray, to ash. So also make sure that this aligns at the center. Okay, something like this. Now what am I supposed to do now? Let me put in my name. Okay, my name. Which font will I use for my name? Let me take this. Okay. So what's my profession? Graphic designer. So I'll choose the Montserrat semi-bold font for this one, Montserrat medium. As I will always say, if you don't have this this particular font, you can go online and download. Just go to google.com and type in Montserrat bold fonts download. Then from there you can download and install. Okay. Let me bring in my contact details. So crop out the color icon, the call icon, this one. Okay, change the color to white. Minimize and place here. I think it's okay that way. Okay, for better alignment, we use my grid tool. Okay, so the second thing there is to put in my WhatsApp icon. So I'll just copy this and I go to crop. I choose the WhatsApp icon. And I make sure it aligns with this one. Okay, so what's left? Let me bring in the email icon. So this is the email icon here. Change its color to white. Put in my grid to reduce the size. Okay, so I will still give preference to alignment. Make sure it aligns well. Okay, let me take it down a bit. What's left here is the home tool, right? Yeah, my home tool. Let me bring in my home tool. So from here now, just crop out the home tool. Okay, the home icon, sorry. Change the color to white and make sure it also aligns with these other ones. Yeah, so I think that's all. Just what's left now is just to put in the necessary information. So let me start first with my contacts, my number. I must always make sure that the text will align with the icon. So what's my number? +237 683 672 651. That's my contacts. So I'll try by all means to minimize and place here. Put at 20. Okay. Secondly, let me just put in the other informations. So I've put in the other details and I've also insert my QR code. Yeah, so I think that's all. So what we have done, we have just designed a simple business card. Yeah, a simple business card. So right away, what do we do here now? We just save this image to Ultra. Okay, and go ahead now to design the front end. So still I will choose my canvas size to be 1050 by 600. So I will take a black background, if not, yeah, something like this. And then again, I have to put in those stylings again. So put in shape. The color I'll choose here is this. Place this one here, increase the radius. You place it here. Put the radius at 35. Okay, so I'll just do a copy of this and place here. Then I will change the color to gray. Okay. Then what I will do here at the center is just to put in my logo. Now let me just design anything as logo there. So let me change this to red. Okay. Place here at the center and do a copy of this. Change the color to gray. You must make sure that the color used in designing your business card should reflect the color of your logo. So minimize and just design anything as logo. So minimize this and place here. Okay. Yeah, so I'm assuming that this is my logo. So what's the next thing here? The next thing here is just to put in my name. Okay. I put in my profession now. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I think that's all. So what we have done, we have just designed simple business card. Sorry about that. Now let me save this. Let me save this design. Yeah, so I will go back to this default working space and I want to bring in those two designs. So I will choose a white background. I want to do a presentation of the designs, and then the color of this shape will be gray. Okay, so we'll take now, place diagonally. Okay, let me bring in the first design. Okay, so I've imported the two designs. Now let me just create a real image here. So what I will do, I will just go to the background and put a shadow. The shadow will be lighter. I will reduce the opacity of the shadow, and it will seem as if it is sustaining. Same with this. Take on this shadow. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, so this is a presentation of our business card. Yeah, thanks for watching.